Did you know that Chlorella vulgaris, a single-celled microalgae measuring just 2 to 10 micrometers in diameter, contains one of the highest chlorophyll concentrations found in nature, 5 to 10 times higher than spirulina? This remarkable organism has been purifying Earth's waters for over 2 billion years, and today, we're exploring 5 ways its molecular properties can help support human health. Number 1. Advanced detoxification. Chlorella's exceptional detoxification capabilities stem from its unique cell wall composition, featuring a complex matrix of sporopollenin and alginin. These compounds create a strong negative ionic charge that attracts positively charged heavy metal ions. The algae's fibrous outer layer contains specialized glycoproteins that form complexes with toxins including mercury, lead, and cadmium, facilitating their removal through metallothionein pathways. Research has demonstrated that chlorella increases glutathione production by up to 40%, enhancing your body's natural phase 2 detoxification pathways. Number 2. Immunological enhancement. Chlorella's immune-boosting properties are attributed to its high concentration of beta-1,3-glucan, a polysaccharide that activates natural killer cells and macrophages. The microalgae contains CGF, chlorella growth factor, a nucleotide peptide complex that supports T-cell production and cytokine regulation. Studies indicate a 50 to 150% increase in interferon gamma production when supplementing with chlorella, enhancing the body's viral defense mechanisms. Number 3. Bioenergetic properties. Chlorella's energy-enhancing effects are rooted in its exceptional nutrient density, 50 to 60% protein content with all essential amino acids, including branched-chain amino acids, crucial for cellular energy production. Its iron content exists primarily as ferritin, offering 95% bioavailability compared to traditional iron supplements. The microalgae contains cytochrome C, a crucial component of the electron transport chain, directly supporting ATP production at the cellular level. Number 4. Cellular regeneration. Chlorella contains the highest known concentration of nucleic acids among foods, 10% RNA and 3% DNA by dry weight. These compounds provide direct precursors for cellular repair mechanisms. Its chlorella growth factor contains oligopeptides and nucleotides that support cellular reproduction and repair. The algae's antioxidant profile includes C-phycocyanin and chlorophyllin, which have demonstrated the ability to reduce DNA damage by up to 40% in laboratory studies. And at number 5, gastrointestinal support. Chlorella's cell wall components include specific polysaccharides that act as prebiotics, selectively feeding beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species. The microalgae contains chlorophyll A and B in a 3-to-1 ratio, which studies have shown can increase beneficial gut bacteria populations by up to 35%. Its fibrous matrix includes both soluble and insoluble components, providing comprehensive support for intestinal barrier function and motility. Now let's talk about how to actually use chlorella. Start with a small dose, 1 to 2 grams daily, and gradually increase. Look for cracked cell wall varieties for better absorption. Try taking it with meals to minimize any potential nausea. And consider mixing it into smoothies or taking it in tablet form. The power of chlorella lies in its simplicity, a natural, whole food that's been perfecting its benefits for billions of years. Whether you're looking to detox, boost your energy, or support your overall health, chlorella offers a remarkable array of benefits backed by both traditional wisdom and modern science. Remember to start slow, listen to your body, and consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on any medications. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.